Hey guys, Morgan here with our true review again, just letting you know about our latest crash course offering. This is a good one, okay? All things prioritization, delegation and management, and testing strategies. We're breaking it down with 2 full hours on these concepts. For those of you who've taken my full rapid prep course, you know that we only spend about an hour at the very end of our 20-hour rapid prep course on these topics. Now, they're super important, but you have to know your core content before we get to prioritization, management, and delegation. So for those of you who are getting really close to being ready for the NCLEX and you're struggling with these types of questions, this crash course is for you. We're going to be going over how to determine which patient is stable versus unstable, those ABCs, the hierarchy of needs, who to delegate to and when, your rights of delegation, the different scopes of practice for your LPNs, your UAPs, your NAs, all of those different things. And lastly, our testing strategies, the things that I've seen really help students hone in on what the right answer is when you're stuck on those difficult high-level NCLEX questions. So when is this crash course? It is January 5th. From 2 to 4 Central Standard Time. So that's 2 full hours just dedicated to these really important NCLEX topics. All right, guys, I hope to see you there.